Hello everyone. Hope all my co-learners are doing well. And today's topic is The Vampire. It is a very important gothic novel, and Vampire is a novel by John William Polidori. He was a doctor. And these novels actually came out from the same challenge from where Mary Shelley's Frankenstein came out. Okay, if someone is not aware of that occasion, then let me tell that once Mary Shelley with her husband P.B. Shelley went to Lord Byron's castle named Diodati, and William Polidori was also in their friend circle, and all of them took a challenge of writing the best gothic fiction, and from that challenge two most important gothic novels came out. One is the Frankenstein and the another one is this Vampire by William Polidori. Okay, so coming to the story of the novel Vampire. Here the story moves around two characters, Aubrey and Ruth Vane, where Ruth Vane is a kind of strange and mysterious, and Aubrey is free and happy and finds beauty in everything. So these two characters decided to take a tour to Europe. During their tour, when they were in Rome, Ruth Vane does some negative things, and so Aubrey leaves him and travels to Greece, where he falls in love with a beautiful Greek girl named Ianthe. Ruth Vane also comes to that city, and Aubrey listens rumors about vampires, and then one day he finds his beloved dead. Her throat was ripped open, and everyone was believing that it was the vampire's doing. After that, Aubrey rejoins Ruth Vane on their tour, and they were attacked by bandits. Ruth Vane was injured badly and was in his deathbed, when he made Aubrey take an oath of not saying anything about his death for a year and a day. Aubrey takes the oath and Ruth Vane dies there. Then Aubrey returns to London. After some time, surprisingly meets Ruth Vane there, who is trying to seduce Aubrey's sister now. Now Aubrey tries to stop Ruth Vane and warned his sister too, but it was of no use. They decided to marry. Aubrey was not at all happy with this marriage, but instead of Aubrey's dismay, they fixes the marriage date. And their marriage is going to take place in that day when the oath is going to an end, after 1 year and 1 day. Now Aubrey is in fear of his death. He thinks that he might not be there on that day when the oath will come to an end and he will be able to reveal Ruth Vane's secret to all. So he writes a letter to his sister revealing the truth of Ruth Vane, and soon after writing that letter, Aubrey dies. And his sister is not getting that letter, so the marriage occurs, and on the wedding night, Aubrey's sister is found dead, her throat being ripped open, and Ruth Vane is vanished in the night mischievously. So that was the storyline of the novel The Vampire. This is a very important novel because this is one of the most important sources from which the modern days vampire stories and modern days vampire related films are taking their contents. So if you are a vampire story lover, then you can read the book thoroughly by yourself, and if you are visiting this channel for the first time, then definitely subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button beside. Definitely it's going to be helpful for your English literature journey. So taking my leave now. Keep learning and keep growing.